welcome back. My name is Deidre and I'm Facility Supervisor for Medic Ambulance. The last time we walked around in Business Drive, it was just under construction in the beginning stages. Now we have the groundwork being underway as well as the metal framing for all the different walls and offices that we are building. Here is the front entrance and where reception will be, and it opens into 3 separate doorways leading into the building. So come take a walk with me and we'll go explore. So here we have a few different offices that were just constructed. When we were here last time, it was one big open room. So we're gonna have rooms for our employees to do their paperwork and have offices as well. Through here, we have the framing for our crew quarters. So they are going to be our resting areas. You can see the layout for our resting areas. If you walk down this hallway, we go into our education room. We are now in our education room, and it's so exciting to see how everything has transpired. And we can see with the installation of our LED lights overhead, our wall space, our storage area, how awesome this education room is going to be. Here we have our construction team hard at work, and we are nearing the completion date, one day at a time. Leading back out to the bay. The bay is greatly untouched. They'll be in the process for the final stages. We will still have a caged area for all of our stock and supplies. And then if we continue on this way, we have more offices. So we have our logistics office. It's gonna be open up right here. As you can see, it's combined 2 of the previous rooms into one big office space. There are more offices that were constructed here. It used to be one big open space as well. Now we have separate offices. And we lead right back out to the reception entrance.
Hi, this is Chris with North State Electric. We're just out here right now working on putting these lights out here. Right now, I'm just leveling these, and then I'm gonna run a couple boxes and connect them in. This week we were working on the lights in here in the education. We got them installed, and we're excited to keep moving forward on this project.